Hi guys, so in this video I'll be showing you how to graph physics uncertainties with their maximum and minimum slope using Microsoft Excel. So here I have a copy of the problem our physics teacher gave us in school. I'll read it to you. Bob wants to know if the length of the pathway affects the time it would take for the ball to reach the endpoint. He used an instrument that would give the same amount of force for the ball to move. He did 3 trials for each length and recorded the time in seconds. Graph the best fit line, maximum slope, and minimum slope. Make sure to include the error bars in both x and y. Also calculate the maximum and minimum slope and the slope to uncertainty. So first we'll be getting the average for all three values of time. So that would be equals average. Then drag your mouse cursor over the three values there. After that, drag your mouse down to all 10 columns, sorry. So for uncertain, after that, we will be getting uncertainty. The uncertainty has a formula of range all over 2. So that would be max of the three values minus the minimum of all three values, sorry, all over 2. So let's drag this down to copy the formulas. After this, let's make the graph using the insert icon here. For this one, I'll be using the scatter type of chart. Let's select the data. So for the x value, we'll be using length since this is the independent variable, and for for the y-axis, we'll be using time. There. So let's add a chart element. Let's label this length and time. So after this, since we were asked to graph the best fit line, we'll be using trend line and choose linear. So that is the best fit line for the graph. So after that, we'll be graph the error bar first. Here for vertical, we'll customize it since we have uncertainties. The vertical one would be time. There. And for horizontal, just drag this down. And there. It isn't really seeing that much, especially the error bars for time, since it has a really small value, but it's there. So for the maximum slope, to get the x value of the maximum slope, you first have to get the highest value, which is in A11, and subtract its uncertainty B11. So after that, you get the least value for x-axis, which is in A2, and add the uncertainty. You just do the opposite of what you did in the highest value there. So for maximum, you get the highest value as again, so that's F11, and add the uncertainty. Again, you do the opposite here, so F2, and you subtract the uncertainty, which is in G2. So as you can see, you just do the opposite of what you do here. And for minimum, you do the opposite of what you did for the maximum, which is, since this is subtract, you add for this one. Wait, sorry. Oh, remember that in Excel you have to put the equal sign or else it wouldn't get the value of what you want, of the formula you got. I mean, so for this one, A2 minus B2. And after that, you get the minimum slope, which minimum y value for the minimum slope, which would be the opposite again. So F11 minus G11 and F2 plus G2. So there, we'll be graphing this. Again, you select the data and add a series. So maximum slope. And minimum slope. There. So after this, to graph the slope, the line, you go to the right corner and press solid line. There, it would appear there. Then let's do it for the minimum slope too. There, so after that, to get the value of the maximum slope, the formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So that would be j2 minus j3 over I2 minus I3. There. So minimum slope, you get that as well. Minimum slope equals L2 minus L3 over K2 minus K3. There. So for the slopes uncertainty, the formula is 0.5 multiplied by the difference of the maximum slope and minimum slope. So that would be I7 minus K7. There. So there you have it. I hope you learned something from this video and thanks for watching.